Good morning. I'm Rhyyan, and today I am trying to get a bunch of different things done, and so I am getting interrupted. Hi, bud.
Hey, Mom, I got calcite. Just kidding.
You got calcite? But you're kidding. You did. Yeah.
I'm on the ground by the bomb.
We like to find minerals. Did you show Rhyyan?
No,
You should go show Rhyyan.
I just showed Lilley.
Very good. Can you go show Rhyyan, and then I'll finish my video, and then I'll do school with you and Simeon?
Yeah, but what is Sim doing?
He's doing school without me, and then I'm going to help him with you. So I'm trying to get a lot of things done today. Patrick is gone for the day. He had a few appointments to get to, and so it kind of changes things whenever your flow isn't quite the same. So I am drinking my coffee in my little moo cup because it's my favorite. I lost it for a couple days. I didn't realize that I had taken it with me to go to the wedding on Saturday. So, or actually, no, it's been missing longer. I took it Thursday when we went shopping in the city for clothes, and I couldn't figure out what happened to it because I always use it and put it on the shelf. It was in the van. So there really isn't a whole lot to talk about today, but I'm trying to figure out different projects that I'm going to work on next. I'm still working embarrassingly slow on this hat, and I'm on a second decrease row. So let's see, I have about 15 rows left, 12 or 15 rows left of this hat, and then it'll be done. But I can only do 1 or 2 rows before I'm in pain. So I'm thinking that I'm going to have to take a break. I know that Bailey from Simply Handmade, she took a week off of crochet and felt a lot better. This one is taking me so long that I might have to take a couple weeks off just to feel a little better. Hi, you got to be quiet for a minute, okay?
I got my show.
Okay, just sit take your boots off and sit beside him. Thank you. You have to be totally quiet beside him. So, I'm going to finish this hat, and then I'm going to move on to some sewing projects that I have. I have several that, I have one that I've been working on I bought my fabric for it about a year ago, and I really want to finish that one and get it done, and it's actually a gift. So that's even worse. So I won't show you until it is done. But today I'll probably iron the fabric for that. And the last bit of fabric for that. And then hopefully get it all put together so that I can get it mailed out. But it's just been slow coming. And it's just hard to pull out sewing whenever you're working in a construction zone. And our other cabin was just too small to have sewing machines and things set up in it. We'd have to take it down every day. So I've done some sewing outside as time allowed, but I haven't been able to set it up and leave it for a couple days. So I'm really excited about that because it's going to be quite a bit of hand sewing after I'm done, after I get to a point, which is my ultimate favorite. And then I watch Kate from The Last Homely House. She's one of my I think she puts out a video every Sunday.
Mom, what?
Just a minute. You gotta wait to show me anything after, okay? I think she puts out a video every Sunday. So I've been pinning some ideas for curtains for the cabin. And I love lots of color, and I love lots of color paired with wood, like our walls here. And I think she just came out with a video. I'm rambling. I'm going around in circles. So she just came out with a video this past Sunday, and it was Punjabi linen curtains for her walls, or for her windows. And I really liked it. I've seen her do similar in the past, and I have quite a bit of linen scraps or linen clothing that is not wearable anymore, but still has some good fabric. So I think that I might work on that. She was doing that 100% hand sewing, which my hands might not want to do that, but I think I'm gonna do it just because it just looks. I started the gift sewing that I'm doing right now, like last March or something, because this past March, because I wanted to do some hand sewing, and I haven't gotten to that. I haven't gotten to the hand sewing part, so I'm very excited about the idea. Of getting both of those projects done, and also having actual curtains for our windows. So we have one blackout curtain that we have on that window that mostly just hangs down, is almost never used, and then we have a linen sheet on this window, and then the other window is just bare. So I think that they would look a lot better with curtains, and it's just nice sometimes. Like, we had to shut this curtain because too much sun was shining in on me, and it's just nice to be able to change those things. And curtains they definitely just soften the room. So I think I'm gonna work on those this afternoon. Things are a little bit more chaotic when Patrick's gone. Like, I have to answer more questions or do more things. So that's why I chose to do a sit down, and didn't really have anything to say, but it'll be today's video anyway. We will go in a little bit and run the dogs up the hill, and we take, if several of us can go, we will take all of them. And if we can't all get out the door, one or two of us can, we just take half at a time. So we will do that in a little bit. We're also trying to get some things done in the barn. We pulled out a pile of wood from all of the upper floor when we moved in. We had just piled it up in one side of the barn, and so by taking all of that out and moving it out of the barn, we gained probably a spot 10 by 30 of more space, maybe 12 by 30. And we're cleaning that up, and that's going to become our pantry. So I will show you a picture or a video of that when we get to it. We're currently working on that. So lots of things, lots of irons in the fire, but not lots of finished things. And it's also kind of hard to video. I'm trying to think, I need to look at my list of video ideas and see what I might be able to get done today for tomorrow, because I have not had a backlog of videos in probably a week or more, and just make one and post it. Last night's was really nice and easy, and after tasting that trifle, I am super excited. It is a citrus that will grow here in the Ozarks, and you don't need a greenhouse. And so I did want it to have the best chance. So our house is down in the valley, and our orchard is up on a hill. So I did want to give it the best chance and have it up out of the frost. It'll frost longer down here than it will up there. So I'm just trying to give it every chance it can. And I'm just super excited about it. It's way tastier than I would have ever expected. I just had something lemon-like in my head, but there's way more flavor to it than I would have expected. And I think that always tends to reign true in more wild fruits, or actual wild fruits, like a wild grape or a Concord grape. Those I find are the most flavorful, and it just really puts to shame anything you buy in the store. Because of that, I would like to one day have like a real banana that still has its seeds. I think that has to taste even better. There's a few things like that I'd really like to try. The non-commercialized fruit. I love the Ozarks. It makes me so happy to live here, and to see that we can get flavors like that is super amazing to me. But I'm going to finish my coffee. I'm going to try to finish my knitting. And then I think I'm going to take a couple weeks off that, like I said. But I really want this hat. So I'm going to work on that. But I hope you guys have a good day. And maybe tomorrow will be a better video and not just be a little hear me ramble thing. But I am loving the bit of community that has come out of having a YouTube channel. Keep watching the dogs outside, sorry. I'm loving the community that's coming from having a YouTube channel. All of the comments and the talking has just been really great. And just little things like, hey, did you know there's this thrift store in your area? Or have you tried this recipe? Or have you heard of this thing? Or just really cool things that I'm really thankful for. I seriously had no idea when I started my YouTube channel that it was going to be this good. And so, one other thing, I am officially over half of my watch time hours that I need to be monetized. So, I'm very glad for that. But even if I never got monetized, the community is just worth it. So, thank you guys, and I hope we get to talk again more soon. Bye. Okay, if you're gonna be in here, you gotta be like a mannequin or something. Oh, good job. That's excellent. Don't move. I'll be done in like 3 hours. What are you getting? You forgot?
Huh? I said, oh wait, wrong thing.
Oh.
I'm seeing my black ice tray is in here.
I don't even know what that looks like.
It's what the things from Walmart came in.
Get out of here.
Wow, this is a damn full sun.
You're a very good mannequin. Or maybe you're a crash dummy?
No.
You better not be.
I don't want to give you that.